obviously risen much more in this container. So what does this represent?
Well, iron is a warm substance, so that should represent the iron.
That's right. This is the iron, this is the water. I've got something to show you though. Drum roll, please. Here's the fact. All right, there's water, and there is the iron. Okay, iron. Set that down there beside that to represent the water. And the volume here means something to us about the quantity of energy that each can contain. So what do you conclude?
Well, the water obviously holds more energy than the iron does.
Exactly. The water has a higher capacity for storing thermal energy. This relates to specific heat capacity, which we define as the quantity of energy necessary to raise the temperature of a measured mass of any substance by 1 degree Celsius. And in the case of the water, it takes 4.19 joules of energy to increase the temperature of 1 gram of the water by 1